everyone, welcome to our new video. For today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage tax info in Google AdSense. This video is for those people who are already earning through Google AdSense. So without further ado, allow me to share my screen. The first thing you need to do is to enter the website of Google AdSense. Then, you will be landed on the homepage of Google AdSense. Now, go to Payments Info, or you can directly check your notification here. Just click Manage Tax Info. As you can see, we are already on the Manage Tax Info. It says here that you need to submit a tax form as soon as possible, or else Google AdSense will hold up to 30% of your payouts, or they can hold your payouts completely until your tax form is approved. To manage your info, click on Add Tax Info. Now, this reminder will pop up on your screen. It says here that you need to allot 15 to 20 minutes of your time to manage your tax info. Just make sure that you read and understand all the details here before you proceed. Then, you will be asked to verify your account on Google. Then, you will be asked what type of account is your YouTube channel. Is it individual or business account? So, I will be choosing individual. Then click Next. Then you will be asked, are you a citizen or resident of the United States? After that, you have to select the W-8 tax form type. So what is W-8 forms? W-8 forms are internal revenue services that foreign individuals and business must file to verify their country of residence for tax purposes, certifying that they qualify for a lower rate of tax withholding. Now, we're going to choose W-8BEN. This is a certificate of foreign status of beneficial owner for the United States tax without holding and reporting. It must be submitted by foreign persons who receive certain types of income in the United States. W-8BN is used for foreign individuals who receive non-business income in the United States. Then click Start W-8BN form. Then you will be landed on the tax form. DBA name or disregarded entity is a business entity that has a single owner. It is not organized as a corporation. It is not elected to be taxed as a separate entity for federal tax purposes. If you don't have any business entity, just leave it blank. By the way, this is just an optional. Then choose your country or the region of citizenship. Then, you're going to put your tax ID or TIN ID. No need to put dash. Then, click Next. After that, you will be asked to enter your permanent residence address. And if your mailing address is the same as permanent address, just check this one, then click Next. Now, to reduce your tax, you are asked if you are claiming the reduced tax under a tax treaty. The Philippines and the United States have a tax treaty. Just click Yes and check this one. Then find the Philippines here. Then check services such as AdSense. Choose Article 8 and Paragraph 1. Then choose 0% reduced treaty rate. Just check this one and also this one. Then choose Article 13 and Paragraph 2A and choose 15% reduced treaty rate. Then check this one and also this one. Then choose Article 13 and Paragraph 2A and choose 15% reduced treaty rate. Then check this one and click Next. Now, you will be landed on Document Preview. You can preview all the attached documents here, and you can also download it so that you will have your own copy. So once downloaded, just check this one, then click Next. Now you will be landed on the certification. For your signature, you are asked if you are the person signing this form. If you are the person signing this form, just choose Yes, then write your full legal name. Then you will be landed on the step 6, which is the activities and services performed in the United States and affidavit. Here, you are asked if you are already performed any activities and services for Google within US. Just choose No and check this one. Then here, you are asked if you are providing info for new or existing payments profile that hasn't received any payments. Choose the first one if you haven't received any payments from Google. Then click Next. The next step is tax reporting. Here, you are asked where you want to receive your tax documents. So I will choose Go Paperless. Then check this one and click Submit. Now you can see the tax info for United States has been accepted. So you can see you are already approved. Let us check on the Gmail. As you can see, Google sent us an email that our tax information has been approved. So that's it. See you in our next lesson. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you will be notified for more videos like this.